Welcome back to Trucking with Johnny B, y'all. Today we deliver this load, gonna go grab another one. Let me show y'all what's going on right now. Sure how well y'all can see the snow falling. Let's just get outside, look. Oh, it's sleeting too. Oh yeah. Then we're gonna get y'all set up once we back into the building. All that good stuff. Old Pete don't like snow. It's cold. So, let me get y'all set up. He's already stuck in the door, but once he gets out, we'll get in. Woo! Cold out there. Got the load off, evidently. We unloaded. We're headed over to grab another one, but first we got to stop and get some fuel. So let's go get fuel, go get another load, and see what today brings us. Oh, and a little info for y'all. It's still snowing. We needed some.
I never made it, but I know what it takes. I'm motivated by a mix of emotion. Got
same stuff I haul. They're loading the truck in front of me right now, so maybe it won't be too long. But alright, y'all, our day is done. We went from snow to sleet to rain to sunshine shining through, good and bright, back to more rain, sleet. You gotta love southern weather. Southern weather, sweet tea, and southern women. Nothing better. But, yeah. Hope y'all like this video. I'm going to start trying to get more video out. And y'all be sure to go over and subscribe and like my other channel, Black Widow Garage. Hit that notification bell, guys. Don't want to miss stuff. I try to make it exciting as I can. Ain't a whole lot happens on the road, but when it does, I want to be able to catch it for y'all so y'all can see. Y'all leave some questions, comments, whatever. Let's get this channel growing just like my other one. Get it growing. Like I said, if you like cars, work on cars, build cars, etc., go to my other channel. Hit that like button, subscribe, all that stuff, notification bell. Same way with this one. But our day is done. It's, I don't know what time it is. 8 o'clock at night, something like that. I don't know. 9. Hell, I don't know. I don't know. Guess people driving by staring at me. Hey, I'm telling me, how you going? Where you mowing them? I don't know what the hell they're doing. Anyway. Yeah. Gonna get another video out for y'all tomorrow. We got another one delivered today. I didn't show all that because it's the same old thing. So I'm gonna see what we can find new tomorrow and exciting. Exciting. I don't know. I want to find something. But if anybody's wondering, it's a 2015 379 Peterbilt that I drive. Glider kit. Cat with 18 speed. Glider kit. Only way to go. Only way to go. No, it don't have no def, none of that crap. So, it's all good. Top speed is 127. That's where it shuts off at. I think that same car just turned around. I'm looking in the mirror in case y'all wondering what I'm doing. I don't know. They want to donate me some money or something. No, it's a different one. Anyway. I'm just trying to get this video to 10 minutes. Y'all hit that like button, subscribe, share, all that good stuff. Leave a comment. Hit that notification bell. It's been 10 minutes. So, see y'all next time. See y'all tomorrow. Don't forget, Black Widow Garage. Go to the other channel, Black Widow Garage. Subscribe to it. Later, y'all. Thanks for watching. Good night. Truck's dirty, y'all. Needs a bath. Anybody wants to come wash it for me? I'll sure let you. I'm still trying to get 10 minutes. Bear with me. Okay? Bear with me. Jesus. Alright, that'll be 10 minutes. See y'all tomorrow.